My name is Sam Menzies, and I'm the past president of Menzies Metal Products. Well, I think it would be better that I started Menzies in 1978. Well, as a roofing contractor, I had sheet metal equipment, and I was always being asked by the contractors to make custom flashings and custom metal products for their needs for that specific product. I had a vision that it would be quite large, because that's the way I think, but I didn't know how to get there. And then it went beyond that to hiring immigrants that had just landed in Canada. The majority of them were from Cambodia, and we found them to be very, very good workers. Well, they spoke yes and no and the basic things, and they agreed with everything. And then I realized that they needed help. And we actually, in our boardroom, set up a class. They were very appreciative. We ended up with a great crew because we educated them in English on the things that they needed to know for the company to advance it.
My name's Steve Schultz, and I'm the operations manager here at Menzies. Being so, I guess, like family oriented with everyone, it's kind of neat to see. There's 3 or 4 different nationalities here now, and we're all the same. We all know each other's kids and go to each other's weddings. We've got, I think, 4 or 5 sets of husband and wives here now, and then we've got aunts, uncles, cousins. So like I say, it's very family oriented. Everyone's essentially related in some other way. And my wife, she's actually known the crew since she was a baby. They've seen her grow up till, she's 34 now, and they've known her whole life. So it's kind of neat. You don't find that very often. Outside of work, we do pretty much our Christmas party every year. So we go bowling, shut down for the half a day, we go bowling, have lunch and stuff like that, prizes and whatnot. That's kind of a tradition we've done for, I don't know, I've got pictures probably 20, 30 years ago doing that.
Well, I know there's going to be a lot of products coming out over the next few years. Some of them are going to change the way we do things in a lot of areas, and that I do know. And I know that this company is going to really grow. The building blocks are being put in place at this moment. I'm glad to see that someone is going to take it to the level I would have liked to, but due to age, I knew I couldn't see it through. So I'm very confident that with the crew that's continuing on, this is going to be a very large company.
Menzies, I can see expanding greatly. Just a new, younger guy. He has different thoughts, different background. Pretty neat to see Sam passed off. He chose a really good person to lead us. So in the future, Menzies is only going to get better and bigger and stronger. So it's going to be cool.